What is up, guys? The new GoPro Hero 11 is just around the corner, and that just means discounts on GoPro Hero 10s. This is an unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 10. As you can see here, right out of the box, the GoPro Hero 10 comes with a travel case, 2 batteries. Each of these batteries are the 1720 milliamp rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Even though they're blue, but these are the same as the Enduro rechargeable batteries. The Enduro batteries are 40% better than the previous GoPro batteries. Better charging time, higher capacity, better low temperature performance. These batteries are worth $25 according to the GoPro website. The package also includes a dual battery charger where you can put 2 batteries in and charge them at the same time. The package also includes USB cables, but it does not include a USB adapter. The package also includes 1 GoPro mount. As you can see here, there are 2 gaps where the GoPro mount feet can be mounted with the included bolts. GoPro Hero 10 comes with a screen in the front and a touch screen in the back. So you can see here the GoPro Hero 10 has a brand new color display in the front to help you center yourself during vlog. Comparing GoPro Hero 9 and 10, the GoPro Hero 10 is around 5 grams lighter. Both GoPro Hero 10 and GoPro Hero 9, they're both waterproof until 10 meters below water. Both have a removable lens cover. The GoPro Hero 10 video recording frames per second is twice as much as the previous generation. It can record at 5K 60 frames per second, 4K 120 frames per second, 2.7K at 240 frames per second. The GoPro Hero 10 includes HyperSmooth 4.0 and horizon tilt limit that's increased from 27 degrees to 45 degrees. The top shutter button can start recording or take pictures. The bottom of the GoPro camera comes with camera mounts. And one thing I had issue with was trying to figure out how to put in the battery. So to open the side of the GoPro, you need to pry open the bottom corner to reveal the battery and micro SD slot. This area also exposes the USB-C connection. Once you want to close the GoPro case again, just close it back up like how you opened it, and at the end you should hear a click and it should be secure again. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if you like this, please like and subscribe.